Hi, this is Diana Price, President and CEO of Diana Price Associates. I have such the most wonderful things in life that God's blessed me with. I have a travel forensic expert witness business. I'm the host. I get to talk to you guys every week for the business success, things in your life that I can help you with, that my guests can help you with. And maybe it's just something that you already know and you just enjoy figuring out, how can I learn? What can I do different? We love bringing you this every Tuesday at 12 noon. And I wanted to share just a few more things with you, because when you control the things in your life, when you master those things, when you control that, you're in a much better position to expand your life, to expand your business, to really have full power, be in complete control of your life. And I want to invite you to work with me, in many different facets. Well, not many different facets. There are certain things that I do. I'm a communication strategist, I'm a forensic expert witness, and I love helping people with their service culture. So in that vein, if you're looking to program your genius, get out of you all the talents and the skills that you know you have and that you know you need. If you need someone to help you with that, it would be my pleasure. We take it in steps. I don't look at it like, oh, there's the GPS and we're going to run the race. No, it's one step at a time. Give me a call. I want you to call me at 866-631-7500. When you call me, I will respond. Email me at diana@dianapriceassociates.com. See you soon.